Hi there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a double crochet cluster. To make a double crochet cluster, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through the first two loops. And we will stop here with this incomplete double crochet. Now again, we repeat this step one more time, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two. And now we have two incomplete double crochet. So the double crochet cluster is a lot like the bobble stitch, except it's not full and it's only made out of two incomplete double crochet. So now we will connect it at the top by yarning over and pulling through all your loops on a hook. And this is how you make a double crochet cluster.